In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete team member on Fresha. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the correct Fresha workspace with permissions to manage team settings. From your dashboard, head to the team area, then open Team Members. This is where you'll see everyone associated with your workspace and where you'll manage profiles. Find the team member you want to remove and open their profile. Taking a moment to confirm you've selected the right person is helpful, especially if several people have similar roles or initials. Inside their profile, you'll handle the removal in 2 stages because Fresha requires archiving before any permanent deletion. Begin by clicking the Actions menu and selecting Archive. Archiving immediately revokes the person's access and removes them from your schedule and calendar, ensuring they can't log in or be accidentally booked. Think of archiving as a safe, reversible pause that protects your business operations while you finalize your records. It's particularly useful if you need time to review recent bookings or payouts tied to that team member without allowing ongoing access. Once you've archived the profile and you're confident everything is in order, you can proceed with permanent deletion from the same profile area when you're ready. Deleting is the final step that removes the team member's profile from your workspace entirely. After deletion, they no longer count toward your team list, and they won't appear as assignable staff anywhere in your system. Importantly, deleting a team member does not erase your historical business data. Their past appointments, reviews, and sales remain in your reports. This is ideal for data continuity. Your analytics, financial records, and service history stay intact for accurate reporting and auditing, even though the person no longer has access and no longer appears on your active team or schedule. You'll still be able to see how their services contributed to your performance over time without compromising security or cluttering your calendar. To recap the flow you'll follow: go to Team, open Team Members, choose the correct profile, archive it through the Actions menu to revoke access and remove them from the calendar, and, when you're ready, complete the permanent deletion. That's all there is to it. By using Archive first, you keep control and clarity while protecting your data and the integrity of your reports. If you ever need to pause before deleting, archiving gives you that breathing room without impacting your historical records.